Hello YouTube, Ozark Survival here, and today I'm going to be showing you part 1 of my series Homemade Knives. First, I'm coming to you with a saw blade knife. So as you can see, it's a saw blade. It is about 8 to 10 inches long. It's a very skinny blade, so it's really flimsy. It's got the big saw at the top. That's my dog Oreo. Getting back to the knife. The point right here, it had those at the top, so I had to file those off. I sharpened it, but it doesn't stay very sharp. It gets dull pretty quickly. I didn't have any paracord at this point in time, so I used some camo nylon cord that I got from Walmart. It's a pretty soft handle, nice and rounded off. On the back, there's a hole here in case you wanted to put a lanyard through it. Alright, let's do the paper test, and then we'll do the saw cutting test. Alright, so here's with the paper test. Pretty windy out here today. As I said, it doesn't keep sharp very well. It did cut a little bit right there though. See if I can get that again. Nah, it's mostly just tearing the paper. It's another small cut. Does nice small ones every once in a while. But it's not a very reliable knife. But it's fun to make, and it could be handy. Here's the saw test. As you can see, it's pretty hard to keep straight, because when it catches, it has no tension to stay going straight. But it does get the job done at cutting a lot better than it is at cutting paper. I imagine it'd be a good skinning knife though, since it can bend to the curves. Nice clean cut. So overall, it's not too bad of a knife, but it's a lot better at its original use than it is at the use of making a knife that actually cuts stuff other than wood. Now I'd like to take a second right here and mention a fellow YouTuber, Michigan Edge. He gave me a shout out the other day, which really helped, so I'd like to thank him. You guys should go check out his channel. He's got some pretty cool videos on there. He talks about some pretty cool knives. Seems like a really nice guy. I'll leave a link down below to subscribe to him, and a link to his most recent video. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe.